It's a 2015 Chrysler 200. The composure, the presence, and the comfort of this 200 will sweep you away. It comes with all the amenities you need: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, inline 4-cylinder engine, active grille shutters, sport suspension, and automatic transmission. New Car Test Drive exclaims, the 200 took to some of our favorite driving roads like a cheetah chasing down a gazelle, changing pace, shifting its weight, gripping the ground, and staying on its line. Chrysler, where top flight engineering meets affordable luxury. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.